Ladies and gentlemen, we love Iswati makan ayam. And that's my baby makan ayam.
IKEA.
Yeah, IKEA. Look at the queue. God damn it, the queue is long. And we just finished our breakfasting and I couldn't finish my meatball. And my baby just finished her fried rice and eating a chicken.
It's your first time eating meatballs. How do you like it?
How do I like it? How do I like it? Who the hell put a jam on a freaking gravy?
It's their tradition.
And I mix it with rice.
Because he thought it was sambal.
No. Hey baby, are you?
Just now we wanted to order, right? I told him to order at 6:45. He said wait until 7. But we did order at 6:45. Turns out the queue behind us was much long.
What is that?
That's my exaggerating voice. So yeah. Look at the view. So romantic, Giant.
Giant yun. Yun.
Is it so new?
Yep. Got something stuck on my teeth.
I feel like such a orang kampung. Acting using my hands.
You're just over. I'm just paranoid about something. Why are you so paranoid about this? Nothing lah. Just use your hand only lah.
Because I'm a Pakistani.
Just use your hand. Nobody gonna care. It's a tissue, right?
Pakistani rule.
My girlfriend is a Pakistani with a big tummy.
How do you like the free flow of drink?
I have to say the free flow of drinks is totally awesome. I like drinks.
Because we're cheap.
Yes, we're cheap. And we plan to keep the cups so you can just come back later and get free drinks again. So we shall do that later.
Later, alligator.
You say bye now? Alright.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Selamat Raya.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Iskandar Raji signing.
It's kind of Razi signing out.
Transition aku.